Hi there, Ariana from Crafting Happiness here. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to crochet the crunch stitch. This is a really beautiful stitch which creates a dense texture. It's a 2-row repeat, and it's one of those stitches where you don't have to think about counting stitches or counting rows. All you have to do is repeat 2 simple stitches. This is the sample I made in 2 colors. You can see it looks beautiful. This makes a beautiful pattern that you can use for baby blankets, for afghans, cowl, shawls, clothes, even bags, because it creates such a dense texture. You can use this for accessories. So let's get started. For this pattern I am using Aran yarn in gray and a 5mm crochet hook. You can use any yarn you like with a matching hook. This pattern requires you to chain multiples of 2. My starting chain has 28, and let's start row 1 by half double crocheting in the second chain from the hook. So make a half double crochet in that chain and then make a slip stitch. And this is your repeat. Keep alternating half double crochet stitches and slip stitches. And repeat this until the end of the row. And you are going to finish the row with a half double crochet, and this is your first row. And now we are going to chain 1 and turn and start our second row. And this row is different only by the order of the stitches. So instead of starting with a half double crochet, we will start with a slip stitch and then make a half double crochet and then a slip stitch and another half double crochet, and keep alternating these 2 stitches until the end of the row. And because we are using small stitches, so they're not really tall stitches, this will create a dense texture, which is perfect for accessories and for winter blankets that need to be warm, and any projects, clothes, sweaters, cardigans that are meant to be warm. Okay, so now we are going to end the row with a slip stitch. And this is how your second round looks like. The only difference between the two is that the first starts with a half double crochet and ends with a half double crochet, and the second row starts and ends with a slip stitch. So you keep alternating these two stitches until the end of the row, and repeat these two rows until you have the desired length. And this is how you crochet the crunch stitch, and I'll show you again how the sample in white looks like. And from the front, from the back, they're the same. A really nice dense texture. And this is the one in colors. It looks really pretty when you alternate colors. And this is how you make the crunch stitch. If you have any questions about this pattern, don't hesitate to ask in the comments below. I'm more than happy to answer your questions, and happy crocheting!